Chapter 8. National Ports, Waterways. Oldest port in India, Kolkata Port Trust, West Bengal. Kolkata Port is the oldest port in India, established in 1870. It is located on the Hooghly River and handles cargo for eastern India. This port plays an important role in trade with countries like Bangladesh and China. It is also known as Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port. Deepest port in India, Krishnapatnam Port, Andhra Pradesh. Krishnapatnam Port is the deepest port in India, located on the east coast. It can handle large ships carrying heavy goods. The port is known for exporting coal, iron ore, and fertilizers. It helps in the economic development of Andhra Pradesh. Biggest port in India, Mumbai Port, Maharashtra. Mumbai Port is the largest port in India, handling the most cargo. It is located on the Arabian Sea and supports international trade. The port helps in transporting goods like oil, machinery, and chemicals. It plays a key role in India's shipping and export business. Number of major ports in India, 14. India has 14 major ports spread across its coastal regions. These ports handle most of the country's import and export trade. Some major ports include Mumbai, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, and Kolkata. They help in the transport of goods, oil, and industrial products. Smallest port in India, Port Blair Port, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Port Blair Port is the smallest major port in India. It is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This port is important for trade and travel between the islands and mainland India. It also serves as a naval base for India's defense. Number of minor ports in India, 200. India has around 200 minor ports along its coastline. These ports handle local trade and fishing activities. They are smaller than major ports but still important for the economy. Minor ports help transport goods within different states of India. Port at the confluence of Mahanadi River and Bay of Bengal, Paradeep Port, Odisha. Paradeep Port is located where the Mahanadi River meets the Bay of Bengal. It is an important port for handling coal, iron ore, and fertilizers. This port helps in the industrial growth of Odisha. It is one of the busiest ports on India's east coast. Port City of India, Mumbai. Mumbai is called the Port City of India because of its large port. The city has a natural deep-water harbour that supports trade. Mumbai Port is important for international shipping and imports. The port connects India to many countries around the world. Tea Port of India, Kolkata, West Bengal. Kolkata is known as the Tea Port of India. It handles large exports of tea to different countries. Tea from Assam and Darjeeling is sent through this port. The port helps India remain a leading tea exporter in the world. Busiest port in India, Deen Dayal Port, Gujarat. Deen Dayal Port, also known as Kandla Port, is the busiest in India. It handles the highest cargo volume, including petroleum and chemicals. The port is located on the west coast in Gujarat. It plays a key role in India's import and export trade.